Hi, lovelies, beautiful people, family. What I don't know how to call you. I'm so grateful for all the love and the support. Welcome back once again to Dacty for You's channel. God bless you. I appreciate your time that you spend on this channel. All I can say is that God bless you and please stay out of trouble and stay safe. So today I'm going to share with you guys this amazing recipe. Just look at it. It's so beautiful and oh my god, it's so yummy. I call it happy food. It's so delightful, happy, yummy, you name it. I call it happy food because when you have this food in front of you, it all smiles all the way through because it's so colorful. Just look at it. Tell me you will not smile. You won't be happy having this in your face. So let's just get into the recipe. So here are my ingredients. I have my cabbage, my onions, red and white onions, spring onions, minced bell peppers, carrots, celery, and then I have my marinated shrimps. I'll leave everything in the descriptive box. I have my spaghetti, my tuna, that which is optional, and my oil. So here I have water on fire. I added a little bit of oil to it and then salt, and I let it boil. So I went ahead to add in my spaghetti to it after the water has boiled, and then I sprinkle a little bit of turmeric to it. Yes, I added turmeric. You know, turmeric has a lot of nutrients in them. And then I covered it and allow it to boil. So this is it. It's all boiled now, and then I'm going to set it aside. I added cold water so that it will not stick together, and then I set it aside. So here I have my saucepan. I went ahead to add in oil, and then I added butter to the oil, and then I allow it to melt, and I went ahead to add in my marinated shrimps to it. Guys, this recipe is starting to get busy here. It's starting to get boom. So at this time, my house was even smelling so good. So you know, you can't wait to get to the end of the recipe where everything is going to get infused, and then oh my god, the smell will be so amazing. So here I just stirred my shrimps, and here it's all done. Just look at how beautiful it's looking like. I'm going to go ahead and then set it aside. So I took everything from the pan and I set it aside. And in the same pan, I added a little bit of oil to it, and then I added half of the onions to it, and I stirred that. Yeah, so here I went ahead to add in ginger, garlic, and some onion paste, which I grated. So it's about 1 teaspoon of that, and then I added some seasoning to it. If you know me, you know that I will season every stage when I'm doing stir fry. So here I went ahead to add in my carrots and my celery to it, and then I stirred it. I was doing all this on a high heat. Yes, I was doing it on a high heat, and then I sprinkle a little bit of spices to it before I added in my tuna. So here I added the tuna in it, and then I sprinkle a little bit of seasoning again, and then after about 2 minutes, then I went ahead to add in my bell peppers, and then I fried that for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then after that I went ahead to add in my cabbage. Yes guys, the cabbage, you can use any cabbage of your choice or you can just skip it, but you know, it's all about adding colors to your food, adding brightness and yumminess to it. Every ingredient that you add to your food bring taste. It all add up to the taste. So here you saw me season the cabbage, so I added a little bit of like seasoning to it. I seasoned it very well, so my vegetables was all yummy. Here it was all done after 2 minutes of adding the cabbage. Then I set it aside, and I went ahead in the same saucepan to add in butter. Guys, just forget about the mess, because if you know we are doing realistic cooking here, you're not going to clean your pot after everything that you do in it if you're going to use the same pot. So it's normal. Don't just concentrate on the recipe and forget about the pot. It's all good. And here I went ahead to add in my beautiful spaghetti to it. Just look at it. Oh my god, it's so nice, guys. It's so nice and it's so appealing to the eye and to the soul. So I went ahead to just give it a stir. Yes, so I stirred that. I was doing all this on a high heat, and that is like a little bit of the tuna that was left, and I season it with some ginger paste, ginger and garlic paste. I'm seasoning in there, and then I added it in. Here I went ahead to add in my shrimps to it. Guys, just look at this. This is coming together beautifully. Just look at these two together. It's already looking beautiful. So I went ahead now to add in my sliced cabbage, my sliced onions and the spring onions to it at this time, and then I stirred that for about 2 minutes. So I fried that. We are doing all this on a high heat for about 2 minutes. At this time, you don't want your vegetables to be too soggy, like too soft. You want it a little bit crunchy. So after 2 minutes, then I went ahead to add in my other vegetable that was fried and set aside. Just look at the beauty, guys. This is so colorful and yummy. So that is what I'm doing right now. So on a high heat, I stir fried everything for about 3 minutes. And guys, our food was all ready. Just look at it. This recipe is packed with yumminess. It's packed with healthiness. All the veggies in there are so healthy. The shrimp, oh my god, and the turmeric. Don't forget the turmeric, guys. Do not forget the turmeric. It also has so many nutrients in there. It has so many health benefits in there. So here it was all done. And tell me, what are you going to eat it? Pair with this? What are you going to pair with it? And are you going to have this as a breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Where I come from in Ghana, this can be breakfast, it can be supper, it can be dinner, it can be lunch. So here it's all done. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. And please stay out of trouble and stay safe. Don't forget to share.